Let us tie a shoe. Ready?
Make the roots, hold one shoelace in each hand. Cross the laces to create an S. Tuck one lace under the S. Through the hole and pull both ends tight. Cross the S, tuck it under, pull it tight. Grow the tree with one lace, create a single large loop. Pinch the base of this loop with your thumb and index finger to keep it secure. Make sure the loop is not too big or too small, but just right. Squirrel runs around the tree. Take the other three lace. Take the other three lace. Take the other three. Lap it over, stick through the hole. Continue bringing that same three lace behind the tree, and then push a part of it through the hole that was formed under the loop. Dumps into the hole under the tree. Pull the big loop, grab this new loop you just pushed through, along with the original tree. To secure the knot. Bubba, Bubba, yes, Yayo. Make the roots, cross the S, pull them tight, grow the tree, one big loop. Watch the squirrel, around it goes, around the tree, through the hole, push it through, grab the ears, pull them tight, retie the shoe. Step by step, we're growing tall, learning things both big and small. Yayo.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this content, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.